Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some cornmeal porridge with some oats in it, and right here I have a pot boiling with some star anise and some cinnamon leaves, some dried cinnamon leaves, and also I have coconut cream. You can use coconut milk, but for some reason I don't have any today, so I'm just using the Grace Pure Cream Coconut in the red box. Go ahead and try that if you don't have the milk itself. We're just gonna let the coconut cream melt in the water, and then we're gonna add our other ingredients. So continue watching for that. So guys, so over here in this cup we have some vanilla, some rosewater, some almond essence, and some mixed spice essence. We have the cream coconut, which I just showed you guys in the pot of water. Over here I have some blended oats with nutmeg and some 2% milk. Over here we have the cornmeal with the 2% milk. I just stir that around to get like a nice consistency. And over here we have some sweetened condensed milk. Now guys, you don't have to use the 2% milk. You can go ahead and use evaporated milk if you choose to do that, or like I used to see my grandma do, you can just use straight coconut milk, which me not have straight coconut milk guys, so go ahead and use what you guys have. You can do a mixture of the coconut with the evaporated, or coconut with the 2%, or if you don't have coconut at all, you can just go ahead and use straight evap or 2% milk, whatever floats your boat. But this is how we're doing it today. So guys, the water is boiling right now, and we're gonna add the cornmeal mixture right now. Now this is very important, you guys, so please listen. Please turn your stove down to low medium heat, because once the cornmeal hit that hot water, it's gonna start to lump, and you don't want no lump in your porridge. So make sure you're ready to work your hands, because you're gonna be mixing and mixing and mixing, because guess what, if the porridge did ever have no lump in it, you're in a trouble. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned, I'll be right back. Now guys, this is what it looks like when we add it to the hot water. If you can tell by how I'm stirring, it's starting to get thick. That's why we're gonna stir and stir and stir. Now we're gonna cook this for 30 minutes on a low heat. Now I've seen people cook cornmeal porridge in 8 minutes. To be honest, I'm not gonna eat it, because I'm just like that. I'm weird. Me don't know if cornmeal cooking at 8 minutes. Me I go cook this for low heat for 30 minutes, because look here, my belly is very precious to me. You understand? So we're gonna stir this, and of course guys, more than likely we're gonna add more milk, because remember we're gonna add the oats to it. So you want to just keep stirring this so no lumps. Also, you're not gonna remove the leaves as yet, okay? So keep stirring and keep stirring, and I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna be done next. Okay, can you guys see that? That's the reason why you want your stove to be on low heat, because not only will it stick, it will burn, and never know on a porridge. At this moment guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oats to it, and then cover it a little bit, like half cover, and then allow it to cook. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and sweeten. So before you guys sweeten, please turn off your stove, because if you sweeten with the heat on, you're gonna be sweetening forever, and then after it gets cold, it's gonna be way too sweet. Now that's a tip I just gave y'all, okay? That's a little secret. So we're gonna add the milk and the essence, and I'll put it in a bowl, and I'll show you guys the finished look. And this is our finished product guys. There you have it, cornmeal and oats porridge, served with crackers, and I have a little bit of cinnamon right there, just for decoration. Enjoy!